Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sam J here. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this dryer. Okay guys, so this is me here struggling to open this because I didn't know how to open this and yeah. So this is what's inside of it. So of course there's a hairdryer inside, and there was also two pieces that came with it. I think you're supposed to put it on the hairdryer, and there's some instructions in there. So here I am unpackaging everything. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys!